Nothing super secretive or anything. You were asking me a question before I bounced for a second.
Yeah, so pretty much when your guys are hitting up these agents, like what are you telling them to
No,
say
you're good. You're good.
in
I
brief?
was saying that
Like when we're cold calling agents.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if I'm understanding the question correctly, you're saying, hey Ray, like you're basically just asking me for my cold calling script.
Yes.
All right, so here's the script. Let's pretend you're the agent. I'm the guy making a cold call. Obviously, it's a cold call. That means I don't know you. However, I want you to kind of think that I know you or that we know each other the first like 2 seconds of the call. So here's what the script sounds like. Or actually, do you have a script?
I just bullshit, honestly. There's
Okay.
really no script.
Okay, no worries at all. So here is how my script goes. So you're the realtor. We're just calling random realtors. I go, hey Lorenzo, it's Ray. How's it going?
Right, yeah, everything's doing fine over here. How about you?
I'm good, man. I can't complain. Hey, just had a quick question for you, man. I know you're an agent here in town. I was just calling because I'm looking to purchase a fixer-upper. I'm not sure if you or anyone at your company might have anything coming up that you could represent me on.
Honestly, right now, all the stuff I have is all fixed up and everything. Everything is pretty much for like an end user. So really don't have anything in mind at the moment.
Yeah, no worries at all. Could I stay in contact and be your client when you do have a property that makes sense for a fix and flip?
Yeah, 100%. Could I get your name and email address and I'll put you into my system and if I come across something, then I'll send it over to you.
Perfect. That's the script. That's it.
Okay, interesting. All right, so if they have like nothing personally, you kind of don't care about them. You don't even think to try and send you stuff that's not theirs.
No, I mean, so let's say like someone at their brokerage has a fixer upper that they know about, right? I do care about that. So like let's say you and I are realtors, right? We're not investors, you and I we're just realtors. And someone calls me with that pitch and you were telling me that you're about to list a house that's a fixer. I hear that pitch, I'm gonna go call you as my realtor friend and be like, hey man, I have a buyer for your fixer. You know, you're representing the seller, I represent the buyer. So that's kind of what I do there. Now, what I used to say was I used to say, hey Lorenzo, do you have any fixers coming up for sale? I would used to not ask or anyone at your company, but the reason now I ask or anyone at your company is because it makes it like forces people's brains to think a little bit more outside the box, and be like, oh man, I mean, let me think, do I know of anyone at my company? Or it's not going to hurt me to send a group message to the people in my company to find out. And 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 who knows, like maybe they do have one, right? So that's kind of why we do the pitch that way.
Okay, good
And
to
for
know. Yeah, I
context,
think,
sorry, go ahead.
yeah.